Hello and welcome to CGK, Curiosities about General Knowledge. Today, we'll be talking about the planet Mars, one of the most fascinating celestial bodies in our solar system. Let's dive in and explore 5 interesting facts about Mars. 1. Red planet. Mars gets its distinctive reddish hue from iron oxide, also known as rust, that covers much of its surface. The iron oxide formed when iron-rich minerals on Mars were exposed to water and oxygen, causing them to rust over time. The rusty, reddish appearance of Mars has made it one of the most recognizable planets in our solar system. The reddish color of Mars is also visible in its atmosphere, which is filled with fine dust particles that scatter sunlight, giving the planet a pinkish glow. The dust in Mars' atmosphere is easily stirred up by winds, causing dust storms that can cover the entire planet for weeks or even months. These dust storms can also have a significant impact on Mars' climate and weather patterns. Despite its reddish color, Mars has a diverse and complex geology, with a variety of terrain features such as volcanoes, canyons, and craters. The planet's iron-rich soil also contains a variety of minerals that could potentially be useful for human exploration and settlement in the future. Overall, the red planet's unique color and geology have made it a fascinating object of study for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. 2. Fourth planet. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun in our solar system, and it's the second smallest planet after Mercury. Mars is located in the inner solar system and is the 4th planet from the Sun, with an average distance of about 140 million miles, 225 million kilometers, from the Sun. Because of its position, Mars receives less sunlight and heat than Earth, resulting in colder temperatures on its surface. Mars is also the second smallest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of about 4,200 miles, 6,800 kilometers, which is roughly half the size of Earth. Despite its smaller size, Mars has a number of unique features, including the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the deepest canyon in the solar system, Valles Marineris. Mars' position in the solar system has also made it an attractive target for space exploration, with numerous spacecraft and rovers sent to study the planet's geology, atmosphere, and potential for supporting life. These missions have revealed important information about Mars' past, including evidence of flowing water on its surface, suggesting that the planet may have once had a more hospitable environment. As technology continues to advance, scientists and engineers are looking for new ways to explore and study Mars, with the ultimate goal of one day sending humans to the planet to explore its surface and search for signs of life. 3. Length of day and year. Mars rotates on its axis at a slightly slower rate than Earth, resulting in a longer day on the red planet. A Martian day, or sol, is approximately 24 hours and 39 minutes long, which is about 39 minutes longer than an Earth day. The longer day on Mars has important implications for the planet's climate and weather patterns. The temperature on Mars can vary widely from day to night, with daytime temperatures reaching up to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius, in some locations, while nighttime temperatures can drop to as low as -195 degrees Fahrenheit, -125 degrees Celsius. This large temperature variation can cause strong winds and dust storms, which can have a significant impact on Mars' atmosphere and surface features. Despite the longer day, Mars' year is still roughly twice as long as Earth's, with the planet taking about 687 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. This longer year also has important implications for the planet's climate, with seasonal changes in weather patterns that are much different than those on Earth. Understanding the length of a day on Mars and its impact on the planet's climate and weather is an important part of studying the red planet and preparing for potential future human missions to Mars. 4. Water on Mars. Water is essential for life as we know it, and the search for liquid water on Mars has been a major focus of exploration and research. While Mars is a dry and desert-like planet today, evidence suggests that liquid water may have existed on its surface in the past. In 2015, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, detected evidence of liquid water flowing intermittently on Mars, indicating that the planet's subsurface may still contain water today. The discovery of liquid water on Mars has significant implications for the search for life on the red planet, as it suggests that conditions may be favorable for microbial life to exist. In addition to liquid water, Mars is also home to vast amounts of frozen water, primarily in the form of ice caps at the planet's poles. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter has also detected evidence of subsurface ice deposits at lower latitudes, which could potentially be accessed by future human missions to Mars. The presence of water on Mars has important implications for human exploration and colonization of the planet. Water is essential for sustaining life and supporting human activities, such as growing crops and producing oxygen for breathing. The ability to extract and utilize water resources on Mars will be a critical component of any long-term human presence on the planet. 5. Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons is a massive shield volcano located on Mars and is the largest volcano in the solar system. It is located on the Tharsis Volcanic Plateau, a region on Mars that is home to several other large volcanoes. The size of Olympus Mons is truly staggering. It is about 370 miles, 600 kilometers, wide and stands over 16 miles, 25 kilometers, tall, making it nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. The size of Olympus Mons is a result of the unique geological conditions on Mars. The planet lacks the tectonic plate movements found on Earth, which can cause volcanoes to move and erode over time. Instead, Mars has a single, stationary volcanic hotspot that has been erupting for billions of years, resulting in the massive size of Olympus Mons. Despite its size, Olympus Mons is considered to be a dead volcano and has not erupted in millions of years. However, the volcano's massive size and unique geological features continue to fascinate scientists and researchers, who study it to better understand the geology and history of Mars. In addition to its scientific importance, Olympus Mons has also captured the public imagination and has been the subject of numerous science fiction stories and movies. Its massive size and otherworldly appearance make it an iconic symbol of the Red Planet and its unique features. So there you have it, 5 fascinating facts about Mars. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Red Planet and its mysteries. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting facts and curiosities about general knowledge.